What's up, guys? Just a quick Sunday video. If you guys didn't see my post yesterday, basically I used this stuff on the Golf yesterday after I'd given it a good clean, and I just wanted to show the effects of why using something like this is quick and handy as well, because it's rained last night. Obviously now there's no clouds and it's a bit gloomy, but there's no rain. But you can see how the water's just kind of peeled off the Golf there. You can see all these little beads everywhere, and you know what I mean? It's worth it. Rather than waxing the whole car, something like a speed barrier for that little bit of protection and a bit of a pop, because you can see how it's shining as well. It's like a 2-in-1, you know? It's a win-win situation. But yeah, just thought I'll make a quick video. As you can see on the roof here, it's just completely stripping the water away. Even at the front, part of the Golf is actually dry. You know what I mean? If you look at the front bumper's partially dry. But yeah, just a quick video, guys. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Take it easy. Catch you guys again soon. Cheers. Bye.